Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will teach you the 5 mistakes you are doing that are costing you the leads and the engagements. So the first thing is when you keep changing your budget in the campaign, it starts setting the bots on your campaign and starting the campaign with the high budget. If you have a $50 budget for daily, don't start with $50, start with $11 per day. And so once you start getting the leads, you will know the cost per lead for your campaign. Like for example, for this campaign, we have 717 cost per lead and we received 564 leads on this campaign. If I go to last month for this campaign, we received 255 leads for similar amount of cost per lead. So what I did here is I didn't go for big budget here. I started with a small budget and I did set the budget on the ad set level because we were testing three different ad sets. You can go with the campaign level budget also. It doesn't matter. It all depends on your campaign and and it also doesn't matter about the niche. So this type of setup works for all the niche. Go with the low budget because most people have this concept in their mind. If they go with the higher budget, they will receive the leads engagement fast and the campaign starts working really good, really fast. But that is not the case in Facebook or in any other marketing platforms. They need time to learn about your campaign and to optimize according to your audience. So at least it goes for 7 days in the start of your campaign. But some campaigns start performing from the first day. It doesn't budget instantly. Wait for a few more days and then you will know that okay, now my cost per lead is $7. You can increase your budget slowly, like you have $10 budget per day. You can increase it like $1 per day or 50 cents per day for 7 days. And then once you know that okay, now I am on $13.45 on my campaign and I'm still getting leads on daily basis, 5 to 7 leads on daily basis. Don't change your budget. If you have $50, don't consume it right away. Just keep it aside and use it later on in your another campaign. It doesn't go, it's not compulsory to have a big budget on your campaign. So this is the first mistake you will do with your campaign budgeting. You need to start with low budget and then increase your budget according to your lead cost per lead. The second mistake the second mistake people usually do is creating a wrong objective campaign. So when they don't know what type of objective they do, they need to choose according to their targeting. They mostly go for traffic or lead campaign. But here you can here you can also use lead objective for website traffic because for the website traffic, if you only choose website traffic, Facebook will optimize your campaign to have more traffic on your website, but it will not target the people who are mostly to convert in the end of your landing page. So there will be only people who are visiting your website. Some will come convert, but the target will not be set to have the landing page campaign with a lead form on it. You need to go with the leads campaign, this one. So in this, when you create the campaign objective according to the leads, the Facebook bots will know, okay, you are focusing on the leads on the landing page. So it will only focus on those people who are most likely to convert on your landing page. It is a simple way to create a lead form, website lead traffic campaign. You just need to select the leads campaign and create the campaign. I have created the whole video about this process, and you can search that video on my channel and uh, you can watch the whole practical video over there to learn about the process. But here I will give you a little bit overview how you can set up. So once you choose the lead as an objective on your campaign, you just need to come to ad set area, and here it will give you more options about the conversion. So what type of conversion you're looking for? We have a landing page conversion, and we have a landing page created, and we also have a lead form on our landing page. So what we will do, we will select website here, and in the website, so now the process is we are telling Facebook to have a lead form objective, and the target is our website. And on our website, now Facebook will ask you what type of event you are looking on your website to target as a conversion. So here we will select the event. So before that, you just need to select the pixels, what pixels you have set up on your backend in the event manager, and you can just simply select your conversion event, what type of event you are considering on your website as a lead or a conversion. Here we will select lead, but you can also select contact or form completion or any type of conversion which is suitable according to your landing page. But here we're going to select the lead. The most important thing is you can select everything here, but you need to set them correctly on your landing page through the event manager. So in your event manager, there is an event setup tool. You can go there, you can paste your landing page link, and it will open a pop-up which will ask you to mark all the leads or any events in your website. So Facebook will know what type of conversion you are looking for. So if you don't know how to set that in your event manager, I have already created a video about this one too, on how to set up your pixels and the UTM parameters. You can watch both videos, and it will help you and it will help setting up your campaign correctly. The third mistake people do is in the ad level, they don't set up the UTM parameters. So the UTM parameters are really important, and it's a really easy setup. You just need to set up all these parameters here, and what it will do, it will track the journey of the user. Once they end up in your CRM or in your lead form campaign or anywhere you are connected your leads, it will track all the journey, and it will help you in retargeting all those leads and creating a lookalike from that. Because it will tell you from which ad set, from which heading, from which creative, or from which copy your lead came from, and what was the journey of your lead. So you can easily understand, okay, so this lead came from Instagram, and from the lead, this headline was more popular in my ad. So you will easily optimize your ads and remove the headings or any creatives which are not working for your campaign. You can easily remove them and recreate more creatives and headlines according to the ones which are performing really good. And you know what? It is more useful if you create a dynamic creative ad set. So if you create a dynamic creative ad set, it will really helpful. It will tell you which is performing best in your campaign. It breaks down everything for you in the campaign, like headlines, description, call to action, everything in your campaign, and it will tell you like which is performing well. So you can mix and match. Like you can use headings which are performing really well with the descriptions, with the ad creatives, and create one more ad with all those best performing materials. So the reporting is really important in your ads to understand the performance. So you can like after seeing all those analytics, you can create a best performing ad from these three steps. And let's go to the fourth one. The fourth step is creating multiple ads for your one ad set. If you have 10, like 8 or 10 ad creatives, and with different five variations of your ad copy, and you're creating one ad for each creative for each ad copy, and it will give you like 5 or 10 different ads here, and it will be really hard to manage. And also it's not a really now we have dynamic creatives, and it's a best way to test all your ads. It's like a split testing, but in a split testing you do a different kind of comparison. But in dynamic creatives, if you're targeting a single service with a symbol with a so in dynamic creatives, if you're targeting a single service with a single offer, like if you're promoting for 14th Feb or the New Year Eves or a Christmas offer you have, and you create 10 different creatives for it and a five variation for the ad copy, you can test everything in one ad. You don't need to create 10 different ads. It will also consume a lot of your time to manage all the ads, and your budget will be distributed in all different ads. In ad creatives, what happens is Facebook optimize your ads automatically. It will display all the ads and the create and the ad copy according. So in dynamic creatives, what happens? Facebook display the best performing ad creatives with the best performing uh, ad copy to the users, which will end up converting. So decides itself using the bots and the AI, and it displays the best performing uh, creatives and the ad copy to the users. So it optimizes per user interest. So it's the best way to create your campaign, and it's really easy to to understand your campaign afterwards. So now we have this campaign with all these creatives and the ad copy, and let me show you how it is really good. So this ad we have here, and I need to know that what is the best performing ad creatives, ad copy, and headlines in this single ad. So what I will do, I will go to breakdown and I will choose image, video, and slides to understand which image performs really best. So all these ads in one ad in ad creatives setup, we see all the ads here. And now we know, okay, so this one is performing really well. It got 7 leads. This one got 4 leads. So what we'll do, we'll go into the same ad and we'll remove the not the less performing uh, add creatives from the ad and replace it with the best performing ad creatives similar to the same best performing ad creatives. So you can break it down through on different levels. Like we can do headlines, so now it will show us all the best performing headlines. So we'll just copy these headlines, we'll use it with the best performing ad creatives. So you can see, so now you can see the greatness of this functionality in your ad campaign. And it's really important in your ad campaign how you set up. It's not like how it never matters that how you optimize your campaign afterwards, how you're changing the budget how you're changing the budgeting on your campaign after you make the campaign live and it goes through the 7 day cycle. The second step is not really important in your campaign. The first step is always important how you set up your campaign, because once you start running your campaign and start consuming your budget, it will, and if you start changing a lot in your campaign, it will reset the bot. And once the bot is reset, your cost per lead will increase really high. And you will be like suddenly surprised that before it was giving you $7 or $8 per lead, now it went directly to $20 or $30 per lead. So it happens because you change a lot in your campaign and the bots get reset. There's a limit on your campaign editing. If you do small editing on your campaign, it will not reset the bots Facebook bots. So if you start changing a lot in your campaign and you're worried and like your campaign is not performing better and you just keep changing in your ads, it will reset the bot and it will waste a lot of your money to like go through all the 7 day cycle and learning your ad campaigns again. So it's better to spend some time on your campaign creating first in the first step, and once you set up your campaign properly, you can in the next step, you can easily edit your campaign headlines, creatives, and everything. So it will not disturb your best performing ads and ad creatives in your campaign. In the last step, uh, the in the last step, the biggest issue everyone faces in Facebook marketing is the spam leads. And before there were like different type of techniques we used to do to like try to eliminate the possibility of getting the spam leads on our ad campaigns. And like lead forms works really well, like it gives you instant leads to display the best performance of your campaign. But the issue is with the spam leads. If you get 800 leads and the 600, 650 leads are spam, the all your money is lost, because like Facebook will charge you for every lead you get. It doesn't matter if it's a spam leads or a high qualified. So right now in a lot of ad managers I have seen there's a new functionality Facebook just launched, and you can use it with your lead form campaign. What you need to do, you just need to go into your ad level in your campaign, the ad level, and where you set up your form. Once you set up your form, you just need to click on the require SMS verification to submit form. So this is really good functionality in Facebook, and it just came up. It was not before in all the ad accounts, and still I haven't seen this functionality in many other ad accounts. So I guess they're right now currently they're like pushing it into all the ad managers slowly. So if you don't see this step, you can go to Meta support and ask them when it will be launched in your ad manager, or you need to do something in your ad manager to have this functionality visible in your ad manager. But this is really good one when you're creating a lead form. You just need to check this mark here, and it will ask the user to do the SMS verification. Once they fill out the form and put in their phone number, it will send the SMS code to their phone number, and they just need to put the code in the lead form. So I know this is a two-step verification on the lead form, but it will give you a really high quality leads. And if the lead is a spam, it will not register on your lead form. So really important. The quality is important in Facebook lead forms. So we need a quality leads in our lead form, and it will help us to convert them in a next step. So I hope this 5 steps help you to understand how you can eliminate the possibility of wasting your money in your marketing campaign and get a good results on your engagement and your lead forms. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and like this video.